Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Asana task dependencies for better project flow, full guide step by step clearly. To download Asana task dependencies, begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project containing the tasks you want to download. Open the project view by clicking on the project name. Once in the project view, locate the tasks section. Click on the list view to display tasks in a straightforward format. Identify the specific tasks that have dependencies linked to them. To view dependencies, look for the dependency icon next to each task. If you don't see it, check your task settings to ensure dependencies are enabled. Next, select the tasks you wish to export by checking the boxes next to them. Once the tasks are selected, find the Export button in the Options menu. Click on Export to reveal the download formats available. Choose CSV to download the tasks and their dependencies in a spreadsheet format. A download prompt will appear, allowing you to save the file to your device. Choose a suitable location on your device and click Save. Open the downloaded CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Review the task list, focusing on the columns that indicate task dependencies. These columns will help you understand the task relationships for better project flow. Use this information to reorganize your project as needed for efficiency. That's how you download Asana task dependencies for enhanced project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.